Isang paalala, ang video na ito ay ayon lamang sa aking sariling pananaliksik. Hindi ko nais na pilitin ang sino man na maniwala sa videong inyong matutunghayan. Kung hindi kayo kumbinsido sa mga impormasyon at taliwas ang inyong paniniwala sa kaalamang aking ilalahad, maaari kayong gumawa ng sarili ninyong pagsisiyasat para sa inyong kakontentuhan. Ang videong ito ay gabay lamang sa mas malalim na kaalaman at pag-intindi at hindi gawa ng isang profesional. Naniniwala ako na malaya tayong magbigay ng opinyon at suhestyon bilang malayang mamamayan ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Our flight time is approximately 1 hour with a cruising altitude 31,000. We shall now be showing you the safety features of the aircraft Airbus A320 200. Please watch your cabin crew. The passenger seatbelt, push the end together. Provide net to loosen at this strap. The loosen belt buckle the smooth and fasten from the buckle of the three and three. Your life is your phone on your seat on a water landing. Remove sharp objects from your body. Lift this over your head. Take tape around your waist and push ends to the buckle. Full weight face divided. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply and displace the cords of the lower knee. Neck flat is jump in place lowest possible. Push pin inwards with loosen. Do not displace your life vest inside the aircraft. The knob will automatically activate when the passenger submerges your body. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings and immediately give the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull Atlantic band for yourself with your breathe normally. Keep hands on the turn right to the bottom. The emergency exits are turned marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exit mirrors. Use exit speed limit 90. Please and forward also explode in the cabin emergency light support warnings leading to this exit during evacuation. For further information, please study the safety correspondence with competent persons. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, seatbelts in upright position. Arch electronic devices like laptops and tablets loaded in seat pockets, window shades open